this is it for multiplication grids. Now I'm going to put up some homework for them. And now from now on, each lesson we're going to have a little bit practice for mental math, since it's part of your exams that you're going to take. And mental math is not about knowing how to add or knowing how to subtract two numbers. It's about being able to answer the question correctly in the assigned time. So you have 5 seconds to answer the first section and 10 seconds to answer the rest, and so on. So the focus right here is basically on time, but if you practice every single day on the mental math, which we are going to do from now on, you're going to be able to answer those questions quickly and correctly. Okay? Now let's do this practice together. Now the question says, add together 50 pence, 60 pence, and 20 pence. Now your mind, and I will show you how your mind's supposed to work always, you basically simplify the question. You go for the easy thing first. Now easy thing first would be if I add 60 and 20 together, that would be 80. Now if I add 80 to 50, it's like adding 5 to 8, which is 13. Adding 50 to 80 is like saying 130 pence. Now 130 pence, 1 pound is 100 pence. So it's 1 pound, actually 1 pound and 30 pence. Okay, that's how you go on with the question. All right, this one says, what is the total of 25, 17, and 33? Again, you can simplify this very quickly and very easily. This is 30 and that's 20. Now add them together, you have 50, right? And then you have 5 here, which is 55. And then you have a 3 here, which is 58. Now you have 58. What about 17? So 58, add this 10 to it, that's 68. Now add 68 to 7. 68 to 7, if I give 68 2 from the 7, it would be 70, and I'll be left with 5. So 75 is the actual answer for this question. So all of this took time while I was explaining it, but your brain should be able to calculate this without having to take time to say the words, right? So you can just think about it logically like this. All right, so what about this one? This would be one of those questions would be in the 15 seconds and 10 seconds section. It says, Lauren was given some money for her birthday. Her brother gave her 3.5 pounds. Her sister gave her 2 pounds, and her grandmother gave her 2.5 pounds. How much did she get in total? Now you do this, the easy one first. I add the 2's together. This 2, and that's 2. That's 4. This 50 pence, that's 4 pounds and 50 pence. Now, the 50 pence from here and the 50 pence from there, they're going to add up to 1 pound. So I have 1 pound, I'm going to hold on my right hand, okay? Hold on to it, you too. Hold 1 pound, okay? And now I have 4 pounds and I have 3 pounds. I am adding together. I know 4 plus 3 equals 7. And I have 1 pound here on my hand. That would be 8. The answer is 8 pounds, right? Now, next question. Amma collects 66 bus tickets and 22 train tickets. How many tickets does he have in total? So same way, you can add 20 and 60 together, that's 80. And then you have 6, that's 86. 86 plus 2 is 88. Now, he has 88 tickets. Okay, now Caroline has 2 bags of apples. One bag has 15 red apples and the other bag has 22 green apples. How many apples does she have in total? You can do this the same way as well. 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 plus 5, that's 35. Plus 2, 37. There you go, 37 apples. What is the sum of 36, 40, and 75? Let's do this quickly and simplify it quickly. Now, 30 plus 40, that's 70. And I have 6 right here, that's 76. Now, I know 7 plus 7 is equals to 14, so 70 plus 70 equals to 140. Now I have 6 right here, 146. And I have 5 right here, 151. Let's see if it's 151. Yep. Right. So another one. Samir buys 3 loads of sweets. A box full of jelly sweets that cost 82 pence, some fruit juice that cost 39 pence, and jelly people that cost 50 pence. How much did he spend in total? Again, quickly calculated. 50 plus 39, that's 89. Because 30 and 50, they're 30 and 50 add them together equals 80. Plus 9, 89. Now, I know 8 plus 8 equals 16. So 80 plus 80 equals 160. Now I have 9, so 169. But I have 2 as well from here. So 169 plus 2, 171. 171, the 100 is actually 1 pound. So it's 1 pound 71 pence. Now a teacher gives out 14 pencils on Monday, 28 pencils on Tuesday, and 27 pencils on Thursday. How many did she give out in total? Again, these questions, they're just addition. There's nothing more complex about them than you just simplifying, separating everything and try to collect them all together where it's easy to collect. This question. James is saving money for a computer game. He was earned 11 pounds from washing cars, 16 from delivering newspaper, and 12 from walking the dog. How much money he has saved in total? Now again, you add these up. Quickly, I can tell you these two equal to 10, 20, this equal to 23. And this one is 39 pounds. Alright, so what's 78 subtract 42? Now, take away 40 quickly from 70. You have 38. Subtract 2, you have 36. Grace and her family are in a pizza restaurant. They ordered 4 pizzas that each cost 4.99 pounds. How much do the pizzas cost altogether? Just gonna multiply 4 by 4.99. What you're gonna do first is to multiply the 4 by 4, which is 16 pounds. Now you're gonna collect this, you're gonna put the 16 pounds on your one hand, and you're gonna try to multiply the 99 cents with 4. Now I know 99, not cents, pence. Now 99 pence, it's close to 1 pound. So 4 of them would actually be 4 pounds if they were, 100 pence. But they each are missing one pen. 1 pen is basically missing from 1. So I'm missing 4 pence in total from the 4 pounds. So it's 396 pounds. Now I have 16 pounds and 396, so that's 19 pounds and 96 pence. What is 15 multiplied by 6? Now you can easily imagine the multiplication grid and try to solve this one in your mind. Now 15 is 10 and 5, and I have 6 here. And 10 multiplied by 6 is 60. 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. 30 plus 60, 90. Olivia has 36 sweets. She shares them equally with a friend. How many sweets will they have each? Now, immediately, this is the easiest question. It's the most simple question you can answer. you have 36 sweets. 36 is an even number. When you cut it in half, you should get two equal numbers. Now, cut 30 in half, it's 15 and 15. Cut 6 in half, it's 3 and 3. Now, each 15 gets 3, 18. Each of them gets 18 sweets. What is double 43? Again, very simple. Add the two 40s together, that's 80. Add two 3s together, that's 86. In a shop, Lucy buys an ice cream, which costs her £1.70, and a drink, which costs 1.20 pence, right? Pounds, sorry. How much money does she spend in total? So that's £1 and £1, that's £2. 70 and 20, that's 90, that's £2 and 90 pence. Okay, so what's half of this? Now I know half of £1 is 50 pence. Half of 60 pence is 30 pence. 30 and 60, 80 pence. Nisha swims 4 lengths of a pool, which means 25 meters. How far does she swim in total? So, 4 lengths of a pool. So, that means like 4 times the length of the pool. Now, one pool is 25 meters. If you multiply it with 4, you would get 100. And that's the total. What is 88 divided by 4? Very straightforward. If it makes your life easier, you can do this. If not, you can skip it. You can write this as a fraction. So you can say 88 over 4. And you would divide 4 by 4, which is 1. 88 by 4, that's 22. Children from a school netball club are traveling to a netball tournament. They are all traveling in cars that can take 4 passengers. How many cars are needed to transport 12 players? Now you're just gonna divide each player, over a car that can take 4. So you divide 12 by 4, you would take 3 cars, because 3 times 4 would equal to 12 players. Now, what is 3/4 of 40? We had this as a lesson before. We basically can multiply the 40 by the 3, which would get us a number, and then we can divide it by 4, which is the denominator. Or we can just like divide the 40 by the 4 in the denominator, which gives us 4 divided by 4, 1. 40 divided by 4, it equals 10. So you multiply 3 by 10, which is 30. Okay, so that's it for today. We're going to be covering mental maths again very soon. Thank you for listening. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you have any more questions, you can send me on ClassDojo or Google Classroom when you submit your homework.